Hello there YouTube, Tech Savage Pro here, and today, as you can tell from the title and my phone screen, we are going to be doing another video on how to get a beta. So today's beta is obviously going to be the latest and greatest beta 5 on iOS 13. Now if you do download this profile, it includes iPad OS. I've actually already installed it on my iPad. I'm actually filming from an iOS 13 device, and I have to say it's a completely different layout. I'm going to go over some of the stuff after we update. But basically, same link as last time. You're going to go ahead and click that link, and you're going to want to download it. It's going to take you to a page like this. Go ahead and close this after you get this message. Go back. You are going to see this right here. Click that. Go up here. Click install. Enter your passcode if you do have one. Click install again, install at the bottom, and then press restart. So once it does actually get finished and it boots back up, you'll notice you can't really see, but it takes a while for it to actually turn off, and then it boots straight back on. Very, very simple, fast reboot. So when it does actually reboot, we won't be on iOS 13. Obviously, it's just like a regular update. We're going to manually have to do the over-the-air update, and this is actually the developer update without a computer or without a developer account. So you do get the full beta. Also, while I'm at it, let me just turn off Do Not Disturb so that you can see. If you do like this wallpaper, let me know. I may provide it on my Twitter. I did actually make it. I do have an Earth one that's almost just like it, except the moon is in the background and there is stardust and all that floating around it. But yeah, back to what I was saying. So if we do go over to our settings, general software update, we do actually have a brand new update. Now I'm on the latest and greatest, which I am not positive is released yet, but the 12.4 update. So if we go over here, we can actually go ahead and download. And it is quite a mighty update. It's 3.14 gigabytes. So it's going to rotate that little settings gear icon, and then it's going to give you an estimated time remaining, about 31 minutes remaining. So because I'm not going to make you wait that long, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to count to 3. So 1, 2, 3. Boom. Now we are updated. So if I just go ahead and I unlock my phone now, you will tell that it is actually updated. So if I click continue, it's gonna have that little Respring logo kind of thing going on. And so here's one of the main things that we have going on in iOS 13. Dark mode, finally a native feature. Also, another thing that you can tell is the lock screen has kind of been revamped. I have noticed on my iPad that the timestamp is a lot more bulky, a lot more like, I don't know, it's kind of more of a staple now than it was before. But you can go ahead and tell we have dark mode and we have light mode or regular. So I'm going to run with dark mode because I love dark mode. Super, super nice. We have a black dock compared to what we did before. And on like black wallpapers, this looks super, super nice because on my wallpaper, you can barely tell. Let me focus it. You can like barely tell that there's actually folders there. If you're just scrolling, you can kind of not really tell. If I really wanted to, I could make a wallpaper that matched the folder scheme correctly. And once you do update your iPhone, you will actually get a brand new update if you are connected to an Apple Watch, asking you to update. Now, because I don't want to right now, I'm going to go ahead and dismiss it. we'll be doing a video on how to get the betas of watchOS very, very soon as well. So keep in check on that. So a lot of things have been revamped. There's controller support now. One thing that you may notice if you go ahead and you launch the App Store is that dark mode is fully functional and basically every Apple-made app. Now, sadly, it is not native to the whole entire system yet, which means that one of the main features that I hate about Snapchat will no longer, it will no longer solve my problem. I was kind of hoping that it would, but I'm sure in later versions of the OS, it will maybe in like 13.1 possibly, it might actually fully support third-party apps, which I really hope so. Or maybe Snapchat and Instagram will just buckle up, get their stuff right, and make it their own dark mode, so they don't have to wait on Apple to do it for them. But yeah, so we have revamped icons, not too different, but still pretty different. We also have a new tab, which this focuses on the new feature or the new service/feature coming to the App Store in the fall around this year. So it's actually called Apple Arcade. It's a very, very interesting feature, as well as if we click on it, we can go and we can browse. And as you can tell, dark mode does work in Safari as well, so that's pretty cool. I believe that it works in all websites, or not all, but almost all websites. So, very, very cool. I just really, really, really like it. It's very cool. So, there's just a few things. Obviously, I feel like the whole kind of interface is a bit snappier. If you look, it's kind of a bit faster, I've noticed. It's a bit faster for the iPhone 10 devices and Face ID devices. It's supposed to be 25% faster, so I can go ahead and try that. Well, I guess it's a bit faster. I guess the unlock speed is a bit faster, whenever it recognizes your face. On day-to-day use, it will be a little bit faster, obviously, because you're going to use it more. But yeah, so that's iOS 13. Lots of more videos coming soon, dedicated towards iOS 13, and more security menus and stuff coming out soon. So make sure that you do follow me on Twitter at TechSavagePro. So make sure that you have bell notifications turned on there, as well as bell notifications turned on anywhere else you can find me, especially on YouTube, so that you never miss a banger like this one. And as always, make sure that you like, share, comment, and of course, like the video, as well as subscribe. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to watch my other banger videos, and peace out.